Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have few requests to show how to make the green chutney. This is a very versatile recipe where it goes very well with all kind of Indian appetizer. It's spicy, it's very simple and easy to make. So I will show you guys how to make this chutney and try for yourself, and if you like it, let me know in the comments below. So let's get started. To make this chutney, you can use food processor or hand blender. I'm using 1 cup mint leaves, stemmed, 1 cup of spinach. I'm using baby spinach. 1 cup cilantro. Now I'm adding 1 green chili. You can also add as per your taste. It's up to you. If you want more heat, you can add extra chilies. And 1 inch of ginger peeled and chopped. 2 tablespoons yogurt. You can use full fat or low fat. It's fine. Salt as needed. You can also add a little bit cumin seeds if you desire. That gives nice fragrance. Now go ahead and make a smooth paste. You don't need to add water. Now it's done. The green chutney is so simple, and this is one of the most easiest and simple way to make the green chutney, and very delicious too. It goes very well with any kind of appetizer. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.